dusty upstairs, but downstairs it's even worse.
Dakota.
After living under one roof for over 5 weeks, the burrow has become infested with thousands of itchy ticks and fleas.
Dakota.